Do you want to know the secret to turning a small investment into a mountain of wealth over time? It's called compound interest, and it can completely transform your financial future. So, what exactly is compound interest? In simple terms, it's interest earned on your initial investment and the interest that builds up over time. That's right, you're earning interest on your interest. This means your money doesn't just grow. It grows faster and faster the longer you leave it invested. Imagine it like this. You invest $1,000 today, and you earn interest on that money next year. Then, the following year, you're earning interest on both your original $1,000 and the interest you made. And it keeps snowballing. But here's the thing. There are some common mistakes that can slow down your investment growth. Starting too late, inconsistent contributions, and high fees can all eat into the growth of your investments. Avoid these, and you'll be on the path to success. Now, here's the part most people don't talk about. Patience is everything. Compound interest doesn't make you rich overnight. In fact, it might feel like nothing is happening in the first few years. But over time, your investments will snowball and the growth can be astonishing. It's not about how much you start with, it's about giving your money the time to grow. Time is on your side with compound interest. If you're ready to start growing your wealth, don't wait. Every day counts. How are you planning to take advantage of compound interest? Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to join us on our wealth journey.